Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of compact luxury and smart engineering with the Wingamm Oasi 610 small camper. Designed for travelers who value efficiency without sacrificing comfort, this innovative camper redefines what a compact motorhome can offer. First, let's talk about the interior. Wingamm is renowned for its Italian craftsmanship and intelligent space utilization, and the Oasi 610 is a perfect example of that philosophy. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a bright, thoughtfully designed living area that feels far more spacious than its size suggests. High-quality materials are used throughout, including durable upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and precision-molded cabinetry. The lounge area features a convertible dinette, integrated LED lighting, and large windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The compact kitchen is efficiently laid out, with gas cooktop, sink, refrigerator, and ample storage for extended trips. The rear sleeping area offers a comfortable double bed, while the modern wet bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink, ensuring all essential comforts are available wherever the road takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the Wingamm Oasi 610 showcases a distinctive and aerodynamic monocoque fiberglass body. This seamless construction not only enhances durability, but also improves insulation and weather resistance. The smooth, rounded design reduces wind noise and increases efficiency, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Finished in a clean, modern exterior color scheme, the camper maintains a sleek and timeless appearance. Integrated storage compartments, a compact awning option, and subtle Wingamm branding add both practicality and style. Built on a reliable and maneuverable chassis, the Oasi 610 is easy to drive and park, even in urban environments, setting it apart from larger motorhomes. When it comes to performance, the Wingamm Oasi 610 is built on the Fiat Ducato platform, powered by a dependable 2.3-liter turbo diesel engine. This setup delivers a smooth and efficient driving experience, perfectly suited for highways, mountain roads, and narrow countryside routes. The engine is paired with a refined transmission that ensures responsive acceleration and comfortable cruising. Thanks to its compact dimensions and lightweight construction, the camper offers excellent handling and stability. Advanced safety and driver assist features, including traction control, hill start assist, and parking aids, make driving stress-free and enjoyable, even for first-time camper owners. Finally, let's discuss the price. The Wingamm Oasi 610 small camper positions itself as a premium compact motorhome, with prices typically starting around $110,000, depending on configuration and optional features. While it may cost more than entry-level campers, it delivers exceptional value through its high-quality construction, innovative design, and long-term durability. The price reflects Wingamm's unique monocoque body technology, refined interior finish, and reliable performance. Investing in the Oasi 610 means choosing a camper designed for years of comfortable and efficient travel. To sum up, the Wingamm Oasi 610 small camper is a perfect blend of compact size, smart design, and premium craftsmanship. Whether you're exploring city streets, coastal highways, or scenic mountain routes, the Oasi 610 delivers a refined and practical travel experience. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in camper and automotive excellence.